joining us today at Island Ford Superstore located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2018 Explorer XLT in Shadow Black. It has black leather interior, seating for 7, 4 doors and a hatch. It has a 3.5 liter V6 engine and it's an all-wheel drive. It also has the tech bundle, which includes the voice activated navigation. As well, it has backup camera and sensors and a class 3 trailer tow hitch. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. In the door, as well as power locks, windows and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your lighting controls are located here. This is your lift gate release and tow. Your steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it is your dash controls, cruise control, media, and sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, it's a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start button. On the dash, any important messages will appear, and you've got 2 menus that you can toggle through. We're going to start with the left, display mode, trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, driver assist, settings, and these all have sub-menus. On the right hand side, we have entertainment, navigation, phone, and you'll notice they change color. In the center, you have a touch screen with display, so sources, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You've also got your navigation, and when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. And there you go. You can slide into the settings. We'll just wait for that to come up, and then just slide through for different options. Wi-Fi hotspot, Apple CarPlay, and so forth. There's your hazard lights and your parking sensors, and below that is your volume and tuner. And as well, you have dual climate control for the comfort of both driver and passenger, as well as heated seats for both. You also have front and rear defrost, AC, max AC, your fans located there, and down below in the cubby you're seeing a USB outlet, and as well you've got a 12 volt. There's also room to put items, and you can close that right up. You have an automatic select shifter, and you have terrain management, and that's what this is. This will appear on your dash. On the left hand side you're going to see it come up, mud rut, and then it's sand mode, snow, gravel, grass, and then back around to normal. In the center you have hill descent, a couple of cup holders, your armrest opens up, and you've got a little bin to put change and other items, and you've got a USB outlet there. Off to the side is your locking glove compartment. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror. You have your universal garage door opener, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and this vehicle has a twin panel moonroof. So there's one forward and back, and we can tilt and slide, and I'm just going to push the button here. I've just tilted it, and so then we're going to, whoops, I'm making the screen come across. Just bear with me here. And I'm still making the screen come across. Well, you can power it open, and the screen powers it shut as well. So if you find it's too much light, you can just turn that, slide that power screen across. And there's a grab handle on the passenger side, and that just makes it easier to get in. Wheels, body colored door handle with intelligent access, meaning when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. And you also have a keyless entry keypad. In the back, you have a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and below the Ford Explorer badge, you have your backup camera, and then you also have backup sensors on your bumper, dual exhaust, and the class 3 trailer tow hitch is located underneath that panel in the center, and you just take that off when you want to use it for towing. And then when you want to open up the back hatch, you can do so from inside or double click your fob. It powers it open for you, and you'll notice the 2 seats in the back. They're a 50-50 split, so one's down and one's up, and they're numbered with the diagram of how to bring them up and down with the headrest. There's still lots of room back there. And there's also clips and lights, as well as a 12 volt. And then when you're ready to close everything up, there's a handle to the right, or you can push the button on the left. It'll chime to let you know it's going down securely, and then you can just lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob you have remote speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in this row with a 60-40 split. You bring down the headrest simply by pushing the button, and then you pull the lever at the base of the seat, and that'll bring it right down, and then pull it again and it'll pop it out of the way. You now have access to the 2 seats in the back, and they're a 50-50 split, and as you can see, one is down. And you also have a bin with cup holders and places to put things. When you want to bring the seat back down in the second row, just simply give it a push and then flip the back up, and flip up the headrest. This vehicle comes with extra carpeted mats, and there's slim pockets on the back of the front seat. In the center there's climate control as well as a 12 volt, and that little bin in the bottom pops open and you can have a couple of cup holders there. There's a grab handle in the body, lights, hooks, and handles, as well as that nice view. Side capless, easy fuel gas filler, privacy glass in the back windows, roof rails, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, front sensors, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.